Hi, I'm Christoph. I'm leading the hardware design at mocci. At mocci we are creating the world's first smart pedal vehicle, and I implemented 3D experience platform as our main process and collaboration tool.
Hi, I'm Veronika Limmer. I am assembly lead at mocci. I work here for almost 2 years now. I make sure that we meet our production targets and quality standards, and I take care of any issues or problems that arise during assembly. So after the endurance test of the Flink bikes with 200 kilograms load, we figured that we need to change something with the fork and maybe also the axle. First of all, together with Christoph and Max, we created an issue, and now I will search for the issue. Here it is. And I will fill out all the information that is needed, so we have everything documented. So first of all, the short description. After endurance test with 200 kilograms load, priority is high and completion is set in 2 weeks. And I will definitely add the axle from here and also the fork molding part as context item. So we made some photos of the axle we removed, and I will upload them to the issue. Space is manufacturing, upload, there it is. I am already the owner of the issue because I created it, and I will add Christoph as a coordinator of the issue. Assignee will be Josip from design team, and we inform Max, so he also will be informed about the progress on the issue. And here we'll add a comment for Christoph. So Christoph will get a notification of the issue, and now he takes over the issue.
Okay, I received an issue. I'm checking the issue and adding a comment. I will look into it. I'm checking the picture first. This is the sliding axle, and we were testing with a higher load, and we expected some parts would have to be changed, and the fork is one of them. So we will increase the thickness of the fork and change the material, and that should resolve the issue. So material needs... Okay, so I added a comment that we need to do this, and the next step will be to discuss this with the team. Okay, we changed the part, we reinforced some ribs at the fork, and also we changed the material to a stiffer one. We increased the glass fiber percentage, creating a change action now to finally release the part and document the change. Okay, and I'm adding as an approver our approval template, and as a proposed change, the fork itself, and putting the change action to in approval. So next step, all of the approvers have to check the change and approve it. Then it will be released, and only then will we start with the tooling change.
So Christoph applied the change, and I get the notification in the 3D experience platform. I have on the left-hand side the EBOM, and I can also review the part here. I can check the new structure and see if any changes apply to the assembly or to manufacturing. And in the MBOM, what I have on the right-hand side, I just click on the part and say reconnect scope link. There's the new revision B, and it will replace with the new revision. And I have the actual and fresh MBOM here.
The most important skill in my job is to think out of the box and use a holistic approach, because we do need, as well as our product is very modular, we do need our processes as well to be very modular and scalable.
I need a good technical knowledge, so I need to understand the product as well as the assembly process, all the tools and equipments. And since I'm the interface between R&D and sales and also our customers, you need good communication skills and work in a team.